Hi, it's Doug McBurney with Procell here to tell you about the Black Friday specials running through November 30th. Existing customers get an additional 5% off all orders by voting at Dermascope. Just screenshot me the thank you page to get the 5% off. All treatment packs are discounted an additional 10%, so you can get up to 40% off treatment packs that include a tip of serum and mask and the aftercare. Get a brand new pro-grade device for just $9.95 and get the 7th generation MD device for just $29.95, which includes the GlowFlow CRM that manages all of your social media, scheduling, documents, everything for the modern aesthetic practice. And we have the additional 5% is stackable upon all the discounts, bulk discounts, 5% off orders over $1,000, 10% off $2,000, 15% off over $5,000, 20% over $10,000, 25% if you order over $25,000. And we're offering up to 12 monthly payments, so why not order $25,000 worth and stock up for 2026?